Affiliate marketing has become an increasingly popular way for beginners to earn passive income online, and with the dawn of 2023, it is poised to become even more significant. ClickBank affiliate marketing, in particular, has emerged as a lucrative avenue for affiliates looking to monetize their online presence. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the world of affiliate marketing for beginners in 2023, with a specific focus on ClickBank affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves promoting another company's products or services in exchange for a commission on any sales generated through a unique affiliate link. In other words, affiliates partner with merchants or companies to promote their products or services and earn a commission on every sale made through their affiliate link. Don't forget to hit the like and share button if you like this video and leave a comment. How does affiliate marketing work? To get started with affiliate marketing, beginners need to find a suitable merchant or company offering an affiliate program. Once they sign up as an affiliate, the merchant provides them with a unique affiliate link to promote the products or services on their website, blog, social media channels, or other online channels. When customers click on the affiliate's link and make a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission on the sale. ClickBank is an affiliate network that offers thousands of products and services from various merchants, making it an attractive option for beginners in affiliate marketing 2023. Tips for success in affiliate marketing. Here are some tips for beginners looking to succeed in affiliate marketing. Choose the right products. Select products or services that are relevant to your niche and audience. ClickBank offers a wide variety of products and services in various niches, allowing beginners to find the right products to promote. Build trust with your audience. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships and promote only products or services that you genuinely believe in. This builds trust with your audience and increases the likelihood of conversions. Create quality content. To attract and engage your audience, focus on delivering helpful, informative content that resonates with your audience. ClickBank provides resources and tools to help affiliates create quality content and promote their products effectively. Leverage multiple channels. Use a variety of channels to promote your affiliate products, including your website, social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. ClickBank also offers tools and resources to help affiliates maximize their promotion efforts. Stay up to date on industry trends. Stay informed about the latest industry trends, tools, and techniques to stay ahead of the curve and succeed in affiliate marketing 2023. Affiliate marketing for beginners in 2023 presents a significant opportunity to earn passive income online. ClickBank affiliate marketing is an excellent option for beginners, offering a wide variety of products and services in various niches. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this article, beginners can succeed in ClickBank affiliate marketing and take advantage of the vast potential that affiliate marketing offers in 2023 and beyond. Click the link in the description for a software that can assist you in building your online business.